Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, and also click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload of new videos. So I buy two things online, so I bought it in Amazon. So I wanna try this if I do not have time to play with my hair, to I'm running out of time. Again, I don't have a time to play with my hair and fix my hair, so I want to try this, and I still don't know how to play with it. I need to play with it more so that I know how to use this bun. So they called it, what do you call it? I got two things from Amazon. So this is, the other one is super cute. So this is the Morika messy bun hair. So this is what it's look like, guys. It's like this. It's like a hair tie, but it's like covered with fake hair. So this is what it look like. It's like rubber, and I got two. So I'm really excited about this. I want to try it and play with it, how to use it, like if I want to do a different hairstyle, like I don't have a time, just put my hair up and use this bun hair. So I got two of these. This one is really cute. Actually, it matches my hair color anyway. So this is the other one. I got two. I'm really excited to use this too. Maybe I'm gonna show you a little bit later how to use this one, but we're gonna figure it out because I don't know how to use that. And the second one is really cute. I wear it already in one of my videos. So this is the headband, and this is what's look like. It's like a fake black hair, like that. Really nice headband, super cute though, really cute. It look like real hair, the headband, super cute headband. So this is the two things that I bought online that I want to try. So this one is, you just kind of like put it like that if you want, or and tie your hair like that. And yeah, it's just like a headband, but it's look like your hair. Or maybe you can do like that, like that. It look like you braid your hair, but it's not like that. It's super cute headband though. So really nice headband. And they actually, and by the way, they have tons of color, like a blonde, dark brown, black, the natural black. They have so many colors that you can try. If your hair is like blonde, you can pick the blonde color too. And really nice headband. So it's really cute. I like it. Really cute headband. See, super cute headband. And also this one, I don't know how to use this one for the bun. Maybe I'm just gonna, for example, like tie my hair like that. I don't know, maybe. And then put your hair bun like that. And I'm just trying to show you lovely people, I don't know. And then after you tie your hair like that, super tie, and then actually it looked good on me with my hair is up. And then we can use this one and put it in your hair like that. Oh, it's super cute. Can you see it, guys? Maybe I can double it like that. Maybe. Oh, it is super cute. Get this. Ow, my hair make itchy. It's super cute. Look at that. So maybe if you wanna put your hair super up. Oh, this is really cute one. See that, guys? I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's kind of like, oh, this is super cute. Let's try with like I'm gonna tie my hair really up and then use this bun hair. It's super cute though. I like that. I like my hair up. It look cute. Never so okay, let's do like super up. I don't know how to do up though. Okay, let's see, like this. I kind of like pulling my hair really tight. Ow. And then I'm gonna wrap it my hair like that. It's gonna hide it with the bun, and then we can put like hair clip or whatever you call that, and then we can put this bun here. I would like to put like second time maybe to make it a little bit tighter. Oh, it's super cute. Can you see that, guys? Oh my god, this is super cute. And then you can kind of like do like that so that you can see the hair like that. Oh my god, can you see that, guys? Yeah, it's super cute. Oh wow, it is really cute. So and then you just like make it messy and like that, and then you have your beautiful different hairstyle, guys. Oh, this is super cute. See guys, this is what it look like. And yeah, really cute hair bun, super cute. Oh, I think I like this hairstyle. It's pretty, really pretty. See? Oh my god, this is so cute. Like just messy and easy to do your hairstyle. It's really cute, guys. Super cute. So yeah, if you wanna try this kind of like you know, if you want, this is perfect, you know guys, this is perfect if you're running out of time, you want different hairstyle. You just tie it up your hair and put this in your hair, and I think it's cute, really cute. And put this one in your hair, kind of like try to like messy, look like messy to hide your hair, real hair, and it's super cute. See, really cute. I like that, really cute one. So yeah, if you want to try this, I'm gonna put the link in the subscription box below. It's not too bad. It's only, let's see how much is this one. This one, the bun, doesn't see the price. Let's see if we can click it. Oh, this is cute. You know what, I have a new hairstyle. This is my hairstyle every time I do a film. So this is $12.69, so it's not too bad. So this is your like really cute hairstyle, and they have different colors, guys. How many different, they have different colors like that, and I don't know if you can see that, but they have so many options of color that you can pick to matches in your hair color. And it's, yeah, it's not too bad. I like this one. So I got 2 of these. I'm just gonna keep oh, this is really cute. I can't get over, it's really cute. And the headband, you see the headband is, how much is this headband though? I think this is not too bad. This headband is really cute too. This is, they called it oh, this is super cute. Look at that, guys, super cute headband. This is actually that I got, the black one, and they have different colors too. And this is a little bit cheaper. This is $8.99, this headband though. And again, they have different colors too, like brown, dark brown, black brown, blonde, so many different colors. So it's really cute for your you know, you want to change your if you wanna try different hairstyle. It's super good. I'm in love with this already, and it's really tight, super tight. really cute. That's cute hairstyle. I love this one. Ooh, this is super cute. Really nice hair dye. So anyways, I just want to share with you if you want to try this. Again, I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. It's cute. It's not too bad for $12 and $8. You should try this too. It's really cute if you wanna something different hairstyle. It's easy. Just tie your hair up and put this bun in your head and you're good to go. It's super cute. I like this one. So okay, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone. Super cute.